What I'm about to show you is really good for your health in a couple of ways. The first one, it's that connection to animals, which is good for relaxation. And the second one, it allows you to become a kid again. A splash of nature, some good old-fashioned stories, and a great day out. That sums up Caversham Wildlife Park. And in particular, once you get here, head to the farm show and look, listen, and even learn. And this is the story of Australia, you know, being carried on the sheep's back. And watching the show all happen, it's brilliant. The way the industry has changed over the years, which is better for the shearer and for the sheep. You get it all. And the relationship between the working sheepdogs and the master, it's almost like a dance. Bryce and his dogs are part of the show. Hello, Arthur. Hey, Bryce, how long have you been here at the show?
So here at the farm show, about 6 years now.
And how important are these dogs? I mean, at the moment, they're just handling a pat, but they're work dogs, yeah?
Very handy to be around. A good dog's worth 1 or 2 humans on the farm.
Yep.
We obviously got the 2 different colours here, both Australian kelpies, but the red cloud there is obviously the iconic Australian farm dog.
And they run.
Oh, they run. Excellent runners, very athletic. That's part of the reason why we use the kelpies here in Australia. Just built for the conditions, you know.
Is it good fun giving this farm experience to the city slickers?
Oh, it is. I can really see the enjoyment they get. They ask a lot of questions afterwards, so they're really trying to learn. We get a lot of school groups through here that I knew a lot about life early on, but these guys, they're starting to learn it now. It's good to see. Yeah,
it's interesting too. Some of the city slickers don't know where wool comes from,
no.
Or milk.
Or milk, yes. It doesn't come from the fridge.
I just think that you'd have a lot of fun at your job here.
Doesn't always go to plan. Working with animals, it doesn't always work the right way, but it's good fun.
This is fair dinkum, true blue Aussie history. And the way they've done it, education and entertainment at the same time, it's really good. And after all this, maybe a cuppa. Not from a tea bag that you dunk, but the old school way of swinging the billy and not getting covered in it during the process. And if you want milk in your tea, you might have to work for it. I mean, this is a farm show, and you know where the milk comes from, right? Caversham Wildlife Park is a top destination, and it's local, 30 minutes from Perth, and a great family outing. So much to see and do, I might have to come back. I think I will. First you get to Whiteman Park, there's a lot to do here, and that's where you'll find Caversham Wildlife Park. And I've got to say, after my visit, I feel better. So if you want to escape the suburbs, maybe by train, this is an option.